Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel Auto Novax. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most talked about SUVs of the year, the 2025 Hyundai Creta. If you're thinking about upgrading your ride or just curious about what Hyundai has brought to the table this time, stay tuned because we're breaking it all down, from design to performance, safety, pricing, and what really makes this car stand out in a crowded segment. First up, let's talk about the exterior because, honestly, that's where the 2025 Creta makes a bold first impression. The design has been completely refreshed, and Hyundai has gone for a more aggressive, sharper, and futuristic look. The front fascia is dominated by a striking parametric grille that seamlessly blends into the LED DRLs, giving it a very high-tech vibe. The new split headlamp setup, with sleek LED strips on top and the main projector units below, makes it look like a car from the future. From the side, it retains that muscular SUV stance with new diamond-cut alloy wheels, flared wheel arches, and a slightly sloping roofline that adds to its sporty character. Around the back, the 2025 Creta gets connected LED tail lamps, a reworked bumper, and dual-tone color options that add a premium touch. Overall, the design feels like a big leap forward, making it a head-turner on the road. Now moving on to pricing, Hyundai has managed to keep things competitive, considering all the new updates. The 2025 Creta starts around 11 Indian rupees lakh ex-showroom for the base variant and goes up to approximately 20 Indian rupees lakh for the top spec trims with all the bells and whistles. This price range makes it accessible for a wide variety of buyers, from those looking for an entry-level compact SUV to customers wanting a fully loaded, tech-savvy vehicle. With so many trims and engine options, Hyundai ensures there's a Creta for everyone. Talking about performance, the 2025 Hyundai Creta continues to offer a wide range of engine options to suit different driving preferences. You get a 1.5-liter naturally aspirated petrol engine for smooth city drives, a more powerful 1.5-liter turbo petrol for those who crave performance, and a highly efficient 1.5-liter diesel engine for long-distance and highway cruisers. These engines are mated to options like a 6-speed manual, an intelligent CVT, a 7-speed DCT for the turbo, and even a 6-speed torque converter for the diesel. On the road, the turbo petrol feels punchy and responsive, giving you that thrill when you put your foot down, while the diesel is refined and delivers excellent mileage. Hyundai has also improved the suspension tuning, giving the Creta a more planted, comfortable ride, whether you're navigating city traffic or cruising on highways. Safety features are another area where Hyundai has stepped up its game big time in the 2025 Creta. It now comes equipped with 6 airbags as standard across all variants, which is a huge plus. But that's not all. You also get ADAS Level 2 features in higher variants, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and forward collision warning with auto emergency braking. These features, combined with a strong body structure that has been enhanced for better crash protection, make the Creta one of the safest cars in its segment. There's also an updated 360-degree camera, front and rear parking sensors, electronic stability control, hill start assist, and a tire pressure monitoring system, all designed to keep you and your family safe on every journey. When we look at the unique selling points, it's clear that the 2025 Creta is not just about looking good, it's packed with features that make a real difference in daily life. The first standout is the massive 10.25-inch digital instrument cluster and a new 10.25-inch touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, giving you a super connected, futuristic cockpit feel. The Bose premium sound system, dual-zone climate control,